Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for pastry cream. Pastry cream is a very popular cream that you can use as a filling for different kinds of pastry. It's actually comes from France. It's called Crème Patissière, but for this particular case, I'm using it as a filling for a cake, because I have a niece who really loves vanilla and anything vanilla flavored. And this has a very strong vanilla flavor. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 450 milliliters of milk, 1/3 cup or 70 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon vanilla bean paste or 1 vanilla bean, 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of butter. First, in a medium saucepan, combine milk and vanilla. Since I'm using a vanilla bean today, I am first cutting it open and scraping out the seeds from the middle. I'm also putting the whole vanilla bean into the milk. Heat the mixture over medium heat until the milk gets hot to the touch. In the meantime, combine sugar, egg yolks, egg, and cornstarch in a separate bowl. Whisk to combine the mixture. Add about half a cup of the hot milk mixture to the egg mixture and whisk to temper the eggs. Then add the whole mixture to the saucepan. Whisk together. At this point, I am removing the vanilla bean. Allow to come to a good rolling boil, stirring constantly. Once it starts spitting like this, remove from the heat. It's gotten too hot. Add the butter and whisk until fully combined. Allow to cool about 15 minutes before using. If using later, keep in the refrigerator up to a week. This custard is smooth and tastes really strongly of vanilla. It's not too sweet, but is rich and smooth. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.